In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Meta AI from Instagram. So let's dive right into the video. You're welcome to App Fix and In, and my name is Daniel. So right here is the homepage of your Instagram app. In order for you to delete your Meta AI from your Instagram app, this is what you need to do. First, you need to go into your Instagram app like this. Now, if you haven't updated your Instagram yet, you need to go ahead and update it in order to see this feature, in case you're not seeing the Meta AI feature on yours. So right here, in order for you to delete it, at the bottom here, you can see the message icon. So when you click on that, you're going to see the chat you've had on Instagram. So right here, you can see the first one here, which is Meta AI, or you can just click on the search button like this, and you're going to see Meta AI showing right here if you're not seeing it on the chat section. So right here, where you can see Meta AI, in order for you to delete it, you just need to tap and hold on it like this. And you're going to see this pop-up options like this. One of the options here is that you're going to see where it says delete. So you need to go ahead and click on delete like this, and go ahead and click on delete in order to delete your chat and history with Meta AI. So once you do that, you've been able to delete your Meta AI chat and history. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.